I look real, right? But am I? I'm number one. What about me? Same voice, different style. I'm number two. Am I real? And I am number three. Only one of us is real. Or maybe none of us. Guess in the comments before you keep watching. So which one was the real me? I'll reveal the answer at the end. But first, leave your guess in the comments. If you ever wanted to make videos but felt held back by cameras, microphones, lights, or just not wanting to be on camera, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you HeyGen, an AI tool that creates a digital version of you from a photo or a short video. I'll also share a simple trick to save money on your subscription by creating videos with different backgrounds and styles without using extra credits. I've been making YouTube videos for over 9 years in my first Arabic channel, but my main business is selling on Amazon. That's where I make my money. So whenever work got busy, I stopped posting and I neglected the channel. The problem is that YouTube doesn't like long breaks, and when you come back, it punishes you severely. It's hard to get your views back, and it can feel painful because of all the efforts and hours you spend preparing a video, and your video doesn't get pushed enough to seen by the right people. When I first started, I tried doing everything the right way. I bought an expensive camera, and then I realized I needed lenses, lighting, and time to learn all the settings. Even after all that, I still wasn't happy with the results. So I went back to filming with my iPhone. It was faster, easier, and the most important thing was simply publishing videos. That's why I like HeyGen. It makes creating content much easier, and in this video I'll show you exactly how. So let's get started. This is HeyGen. You can start using the link in the description. Get started for free. You can either sign up with Google or with Apple, or you can use your email. And then there's just questions. What do you need HeyGen for? To grow my own YouTube channel. And then it tells you 15 seconds to start. You can either do this, press this one, and record yourself. So that's the video option in HeyGen. But I'll show you a different way. So this is HeyGen from the inside. What I want you to do is actually, if you want to go back to the main dashboard, just press on the home, the logo of HeyGen, and then we'll bring you to here. What we're going to do today is talk about the avatar, because within HeyGen, there's so many tools. If I'm going to talk about them all in this video, it will be too long. I will do more videos about the other tools that we can use. But mainly today, we'll talk about the avatar. So building a digital twin of you, or maybe a personality that you build in online. It doesn't have to be you. It could be somebody else. Like if you are, don't want to show us your face and you want to do some content, you can actually create a virtual twin, and we can talk about that in another video, but I will show you the same example you will do if you wanted to do a digital twin. So I pressed on avatar, and then it'll give me the two options. So the first option is to record yourself. So record the video, and then that video will be used to make more videos. So you can give it a script, you can give it audio, and you can do multiple videos with that one video that you're going to upload. But there is some kind of limitation in this one, and I will explain what the limitation is. And then the second option is to upload a photo. So you can upload photos, different basically backgrounds, different outfits, and then make videos with those pictures as well. So we'll do the first one, which is record yourself as in a video. So what you do is press in here. The first thing I need to do is, I'm not going to record myself, but I'll show you exactly what you need to do if you wanted to basically produce a video of you. Okay, so you can either record yourself via webcam or via a phone. You can do that and download it. So that video will be exactly the video you will be used to make the content. So you have to be in the best light, in the best background, best everything. So because that will be the example you use. Once you're ready, then I'm ready. And in here it gives you instructions, basically not too many sudden movements and things like that. So, and you can do that way. Basically, small subtle movement is okay. You can talk naturally. You can use your hand. That's fine. And then once you're happy with that, you start recording yourself. 93. I have to give the number to confirm it's you. And then after the countdown, you have to read it. Read this. Hey there, I'm speaking with lots of energy while staying neutral and confident. This helps HeyGen capture my voice, my expressions, and my emotion. And you keep reading, and then done recording. And now this is how your video look like. So if you're happy with it, yes, you create the avatar. If you're not happy with it, you record again, okay? And then that will be in your files in your avatar. Now the second one is upload a photo. So you can upload a photo of you, different positions, different background. So we'll say upload a photo, and then you will open a folder. So this is the folder. For example, let's say this is YouTube English, for example, because I have YouTube Arabic, okay? And then that's the YouTube folder, for example. So create that as a folder, and it's uploading. I can upload another look. So it will ask you, are you trying to do a video or uploading a photo? No, I'm going to upload a photo. I'll upload another look as well. So this one is for, as you can see, the different looks. So for example, I wanted this angle and I want this angle. I wanted to do different angles of the video. So we have that. I can upload another look and outfit and different. Let's say create a look again. This is another one. And then I can upload another look as well. This is different settings and different background. So you have all these photos so that you can actually make a video. Okay, now I want to make a video. What I do is I go click on that avatar, use in video, and then there's few options. I found this one the easiest and the quickest. Build scene by scene. Now once I have the video in here, I need to upload audio or write a text. So you have all the options that you want to do. So basically write a text and then you can ask HeyGen to read it for you. That's one option to do it. Okay, so if I say, for example, this is a voice they have. So this is the voice in here.
Hi, my name is Huria.
If I like the voice, I can use it. If I don't, what I can do is I can go find another voice. So what you can do is do switch, and then you will find here there's three options for you. You have an option to clone your voice. So what you can do is record your own voice reading a script or even uploading a file. So if I do clone your voice, I can read that. So you can start recording. So it will take my voice, or I can upload a file, read something, anything, any text that I have, and then I can upload the file. Okay, that's the clone. Another one is design a voice. You can actually design a voice. So you can say, for example, I want a soft voice or squeaky voice. You can choose, or import from third party. So if you have your voice basically cloned or done somewhere in, like, for example, 11 Labs, so you can import it from a third party. And we have the HeyGen library, so you can choose from those voices. You can hear them, and then if you like one of the voices, you can actually choose them. Okay, so you have three options. My voices, I cloned my voice. I've cloned this. I can see which one is the closest to mine, and then I can basically use it. Okay, or the easiest way, we don't have a text, and normally what I do is actually record the voice. I record the actual script. So I read the script and record them as an audio file, and then I upload it here. So upload an audio, and then I upload so this is an audio. So this is in Arabic, but I upload it, and then once it's uploaded, add audio, and then it would just transcribe it and write it for you, and then I generate the video, and that's how it's generated. I can use that voice, or I can use mine. I can show you. If I use mine, I actually don't feel like it's my voice, but select this voice, and then I will generate the video. Now, before I generate the video, I'll show you something. Now, automatically, once you generate the video, it'll go to this IV. Now, we will talk about the different plans of the HeyGen subscription, but this one is unlimited. So avatar, this one is unlimited. This one is with a credit. So if you put it, it will ask you, will take credit, and you will find the credits get used up very quickly. Okay, so we'll generate this video. and then it's asking us to upgrade. I'm doing this so just to show you. This is not my account. This is just a trial account just to show you exactly what you can get with a free account. So I do submit. So this is
Hi, my name is Huria. Hope you like this tool. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
this is the final product. As you can hear, that's not my voice. It's supposed to be taken my actual clone voice, but it's not. Slightly different. That's the first option, and also different avatar. This is the unlimited one, where you can basically produce unlimited of in the first plan. So they have different plans. We go see the plans now, but before that, let's do one more project with my actual audio recorded. So I actually record the audio myself and then I upload it. So if you look at this, this is my photo and this is my video. So this is video. So with the limitation of video is that, so if I do the sound.
Hey Blue, your digital twin is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you
The problem with video, you can only use 2 videos for the first plan, and that's it. So basically, if you have one video with the blue hijab, that's it. That's the only video, the same background. That's the one you can use. You cannot change it. With photos, you can use unlimited. So unlimited photos you can use to use the photo one. So that's the main one. We'll do another one. So this one, use in video, and this time we'll do audio recorded. So I will upload an audio here and then upload a file and then add the audio, wait for it to, and then we generate. So you have the free plan. With the free plan, you can just do 3 videos. The thing with it will have a watermark all over it, and I'll show you how it looks like. So it's not usable. It's just for you to test basically the app. Once you test it, then you'll have to upgrade because, as I said, it's got watermark all over it. In only 1 minute video it does. Okay, and then you have the creator, which is the first one. Now you can do video up to 30 minutes, and this is 1080p video export. You can, in the pro plan is 4K. Okay, but this is sufficient for most people. It's enough for YouTube as well. So it says here unlimited photo avatars. So that's the good thing about it. So you can have unlimited. So initially when I first started HeyGen, I didn't know about that's the photo. So I used to do a video, one look and then another look and then another look. So every look, I think you add a bundle, price bundle for credit to have different video looks. So it wasn't really good idea because again you're in the same setting, and if you don't have the best lighting, the best everything, the video is not that great quality. But with the photo, basically you can have the best of everything because you can control the photo. And we can go to basically photo generator, like the best one is Nano Banana, the best one. You can give it prompts, it can change you all over the places, anywhere you want. You can give it even like from Pinterest a background and say, put me in this background, keep the same person consistent. So you can do a lot of things with photos. That's how you can save money on HeyGen. If you want to 4K, then it's the pro plan. So this is with the upgraded one. So I can show you. You can see the free plan. It's got this watermark. You can see. This is in Arabic, so I muted it. But I wanted to show you. This is with the not unlimited one, the IV one. So if you can see, if you go to projects. So this is the unlimited one, and this is the next one, and there is a premium one as well. So you can see the movement of this one. It's only few words, so you can see the difference. You can see what you like. Sometimes I find the unlimited one, actually the free one, is actually the movement is okay. This one sometimes become more exaggerated. So you have to see how it works for you. Now I'll show you another one, unlimited, where I used my audio as well. So let me show you that now. So this is finished. So let's see this one now. Hi everyone, my name is Huria. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. I really appreciate it. This is my audio, so my voice, and as the unlimited one. So basically it's only lip sync. It shouldn't be any more movement on the video. So this is all the options of HeyGen. I hope you like this video. And now the final question is, which one from the 3 avatar, if you go back to the first of the video, which one the more real one? You answered what? All of them are avatars. None of them are real, actually. Some of them are videos and some of them are photos, but none of them are real.